What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. Today we're going to be taking a look at the tailgate that goes right behind here. We did end up getting a used tailgate for a very good price. The only thing, it had a dent in it. So we're actually going to attempt to take this dent out. I had posted a video on the shorts, and a couple of the PDR experts said you could use a hammer and a dolly. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to use a hammer and a dolly and see if we can't get this dent repaired. All right, so this is what we're working with here. Here you can see the dent here. So this is the last place that got hit. I believe this is the first spot, so you can imagine something coming across here, impacting this first, and then the rest of the damage traveling here to the spot that is bowed up right here. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't repair this. It doesn't look too bad, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. So for this job here, I've got this Maddox kit. So we're gonna pop this open and grab the tools that are right for this job and get started. So there it is. It's the full kit right there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with this and the hammer. I'm just gonna tuck this up under here, hold it in place while we tap this down. Okay, so we've got this spot a lot lower now. Now we just have to get this section down here, this bowed section here. Alright, so you can see a lot of that dent has been released already. Now it's just fine-tuning, getting the shape to contour back to the way it should be. You know, working on these little spots to kind of fine-tune that metal. Well, I must say this isn't too bad for a first try at PDR. So this is the first step. This is round one. We'll continue this venture later, but so far it's looking pretty good. All right, so we're going to change the tip to something a little sharper, see if we can get that little dimple out. All right, so for this repair, we use this tool here and have a couple of different tips that we put on there to kind of help work this section right here. I used this hammer along with a bigger mallet as well as this smaller tool here to kind of work on the small points. But overall, we were able to kind of fix some of the damage here, put back in place the metal where it rightfully belonged. So we're able to use a piece of wood and a mallet, as well as some cushion to kind of help drive that impact down. As you can see here, it looks a lot better than how it started out. So this is not too bad for a first time try at PDR. So for all of those guys that answered my YouTube shorts out there, much appreciated for your insight and expertise in that area. But we were able to get this thing repaired to a pretty decent state. Obviously somebody who is an expert would be able to get this thing formed up really nice, but when you put the cover back on, it's a completely different look. So let's take a look and see how that is. So as you can see here, it's not perfect, but it doesn't look that bad, as the hit came right on that body line, right on that rounded section right there. So overall, you can see that little dimple, that little dip right there, that little spot, but overall, not bad. If you want to put something like this on, most people are beating up on the tailgate. Anyways, so it is what it is. So this part right here, we actually are going to, we're actually not going to use this on the fix of the Titan. I was able to actually pick up a color match tailgate, so I'm going to use that instead. We're going to get that prepped to go on the Titan as well. But as you can see here, this job is not too intimidating. If you do have some dings and stuff on your vehicle, you can actually put a little effort in, get some PDR tools, and possibly tackle it yourself. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.